Hello, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing ADA news. We're giving away 1,000 ADA to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment Cardano is king, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. To prevent Donald from succeeding in the cryptocurrency business, every other aspect related to it needs to see significant advancements. The eye-opening video we have today shows that there will be trillions of dollars invested in the cryptocurrency sector over the next few years. Since the total market value of all cryptocurrencies is only close to $1 trillion, this is major news. To ensure that you don't miss anything, make sure to finish the video. In general, controlling risk and maximizing gains are the goals of investing. Risk-averse investors have benefited from having the option to choose assets like fixed deposits, gold, and real estate during the past few decades. The crypto market is famously unstable for guaranteed earnings, with prices varying by much to 30% in a single day. Building riches requires both patience and timing when entering the crypto industry. Compared to short-term traders, long-term investors are more likely to prosper. With Bitcoin investments, though, which were significantly impacted by notable pumps and dumps, this has not always been simple. But hey, there's always a way out, as they say. It is now time to hear some significant news. As the safest and most dependable bridge to the cryptocurrency ecosystem over the past few years, Coinbase has significantly contributed to the growth and stability of the crypto markets. Recently, they took an interesting step forward by working with BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, to offer institutional clients of Aladdin BlackRock's direct access to cryptocurrency, starting with Bitcoin, through an investment management platform. Whether you own Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency, the BlackRock and Coinbase news is important for the whole crypto industry, regardless of whether you agree with it or not. The integration with Coinbase Prime, which was developed for institutions, helps the partnership. To support the complete transaction lifecycle, Coinbase Prime includes advanced agency trading, custody, prime finance, staking, and staking infrastructure, data, and reporting. The purpose of Coinbase Prime is to guide institutional clients through the entire crypto transaction process. To ensure institutional investors can access the crypto markets at scale, the platform provides cutting-edge security assurance and compliance. According to a recent announcement, Coinbase Prime already has 13,000 institutional clients, including hedge funds, corporate treasuries, and other financial organizations. Now that BlackRock is a member of Coinbase, there may be some good news here for the broader cryptocurrency market. I'll explain. The largest financial management company in the world, BlackRock, is situated in New York and claims to be in charge of managing $10 trillion worth of assets. With the help of the new Coinbase-BlackRock alliance, large investors will have access to a variety of software tools to help them manage their huge portfolios. Coinbase Prime and Aladdin will be combined. For the time being, both businesses affirmed that the relationship will begin with Bitcoin. It is unclear if they intend to provide any other digital or cryptocurrency services. BlackRock, whose chairman Larry Fink has previously criticized Bitcoin as an indicator of money laundering, has undergone a significant but not entirely abrupt transformation as a result of the relationship. BlackRock has, however, gradually entered the Web3 space in recent years, particularly by incorporating Bitcoin functionality into several goods and services. Fink stated in a letter to shareholders in March that BlackRock was looking into stable coins, digital currencies, and the underlying technology. Then, in April, BlackRock declared that it will aim to handle the USD coin currency reserve as the primary manager. Rick Ryder, the chief investment officer of Global Fixed Income, said in May and June that he thinks cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are long-lasting investments even though they will likely see greater prices in the future. BlackRock's global head of strategic ecosystem partnerships remarked that the firm's institutional clients are becoming more and more interested in accessing the markets for digital assets with the Coinbase-BlackRock collaboration. He continued by saying that the collaboration would let clients directly control their exposure to Bitcoin within their current portfolio management. Additionally, Coinbase is aware that the agreement marks a significant turning point for the company and institutional use of cryptocurrencies. Additionally, Coinbase has said that it is honored to collaborate with a pioneer in the field and looks forward to advancing its mission to increase access to and transparency in the world of cryptocurrencies. Despite it being more than 10 years since the creation of Bitcoin in 2009, governments, businesses, and investors still have differing views on whether the cryptocurrency has any long-term value. The transformation of Bitcoin from a little-known digital coin into a significant asset class has caused fierce polarization among leaders in the financial world. The same holds true with Cardano. Larger organizations like Tesla and Block have used Bitcoin to some extent, but many detractors have argued that the cryptocurrency won't achieve widespread adoption until major institutional investors start to include it in their portfolios. In 2018, the once richest man in the world and billionaire investor Warren Buffett went so far as to label Bitcoin rat poison and predict that it will almost likely have a disastrous outcome. But despite the extreme pessimism of recent years and a significant meltdown in May 2022, the tide against cryptocurrencies has been gradually shifting in favor of digital assets. This is one of the reasons why most investors have chosen Cardano, but I guess you could argue there's still some uncertainty. Why is BlackRock betting against the cryptocurrency industry and Coinbase? Cryptocurrency prices fell throughout 2022 as investors fled to safer havens. Amid escalating interest rates, unrest in the world's politics, and concerns of an oncoming recession, the larger sell-off in assets further devalues cryptocurrencies and linked asset prices. Indeed, a lot of investors became cautious after the Terra ecosystem collapsed. Claims concerning issues around the endurance and stability of the crypto markets have been supported by a recent spate of breaches. The firm's stock has fallen about 65% year to date, and the crypto winter caused Coinbase trading volumes to decline to the point where the company had to impose a hiring block and lay off 18% of its workers this summer. These unfavorable conditions appear to have affected Coinbase particularly hard. Furthermore, rumors have recently surfaced that Coinbase is under investigation by the SEC for allegedly allowing inappropriate trade of unregistered assets. But the most recent news has brought calm and new vitality to a sector that had been negatively impacted by world events and investors' concerns. BlackRock sees the agreement as a low-risk method to enter the cryptocurrency market by partnering with Coinbase. If clients lose interest or regulators crack down on cryptocurrency trading, the firm may decide not to invest in developing its cryptocurrency capabilities. The alliance also seems to mark a significant change for Fink, who only just last summer claimed that BlackRock clients had little interest in digital assets. He changed his tune earlier this year, saying, quote, "I don't know how they didn't see demand as the Russian invasion of Ukraine spurred demand for digital currencies. They then observed demand." According to Owen Lau, an analyst at Oppenheimer who covers Coinbase, "I do believe that they see demand in the longer term. However, during the bad market, the essence of the relationship cannot be curtailed." The alliance is good news for coins and shock combat. More than 200 institutional users, including insurers, pension funds, businesses, banks, and asset managers, use BlackRock Ledin. BlackRock might also expose Coinbase to more established financial institutions as a result of this. The exchange has long sought to diversify its revenue sources away from retail trading fees, which previously accounted for the lion's share of his revenue. However, when Bitcoin is less volatile, there are fewer trading possibilities, which results in a decline in that revenue. Shares. Even though the currency base declined from a 44% rise to a measly 10% gain after the crypto exchange announced the agreement, it still increased. The quick increase nearly doubled the company's market capitalization by $2 billion, which is especially noteworthy given that the gains came only on a day when significant digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum declined in value. This development has given the cryptocurrency community a much-needed assurance that Coinbase's position as a titan of the industry is secure. However, BlackRock and Coinbase both declined to comment on how the collaboration would be impacted by the SEC's investigation of Coinbase as a company. Although the Coinbase-BlackRock cooperation is thrilling, it ultimately has little to do with ordinary investors. Nevertheless, the partnership may have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market. This alliance is not simply advantageous for Bitcoin, it is fantastic for Bitcoin. The most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has a way of spreading its success to smaller coins like Cardano ADA. In fact, the renowned stock picker Cathie Wood is credited with saying that Bitcoin has the potential to reach $500,000 a coin if big financial institutions ever adopt it. BlackRock's latest action, nevertheless, hasn't been as successful in encouraging buying as many in the cryptocurrency world had hoped. Many believe that we are still in the midst of a bear market because the price of Bitcoin has been largely stable since a partnership in early August. The crypto market is about to explode for multiple $trillion with additional innovations like this. Of course, Cardano ADA will reap some of the rewards as well. However, as always, what are your thoughts on this? Please leave your comments in the space provided below. And don't forget to give this video the proper thumbs up. And if you want to be notified right away whenever we post a new video here on ADA News, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification button if you don't want to miss out on any vital future developments. You can learn more about how ADA came to be by watching our other videos till then. We'll see you there, too, in our upcoming video.